Hi guys, welcome to today's video. Well, today I was tagged by Michelle from Mascara to Midnight to do this challenge, and this is where I share with you my 5 top products that I got from any of my beauty boxes. So I'm going to go ahead and show those to you, but before you go, make sure that you take a moment to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell too, so that you'll be notified when I upload new videos. I'm also going to tag 2 other people to do the same video, so let's get started. All right, over the last couple of years, I've been subscribed to many different beauty boxes, but I just discovered that there were several that I just wasn't getting products that I was impressed by. There's just too many little teeny samples that wasn't really deluxe ones. So I really want to get the bang for my dollar. So the 3 that I am currently getting is Sephora Play, IPSY, and BOXYCHARM. And I'm going to have links for all those down below for you. So if you're interested in subscribing to them, that way you can go ahead and sign up with them as well. Now, my favorite of those is definitely BOXYCHARM. BOXYCHARM's a little more expensive. It's $21 a month. However, you always get well over $100 in products in there. I think I had one month where I got like $156 worth of makeup. So that's the one I tend to get my favorite products out of, but I really do love a lot of the things that come in the Sephora Play and also IPSY. So let's get started. Hey, do make sure that you go ahead and check out Michelle's channel. I'm going to leave a card up here as well as a link down in the description box so you can go see her channel. I tell you, that woman, she will do anything on her channel. She's brave. She's daring. She shaved her eyebrows off on camera just to see what she could do to get them to grow back again. So one gutsy woman. She's got 8 kids, I think. 8? Yeah, so she's just busy all the time, and she describes her channel is a little bit of chaos. So go check her out and make sure that you tell her that Karen said hi. So anyway, let's get started. The first product that I got, this came in my BOXYCHARM, and this is the Dr. Brandt Pore Dermabrasion, and this is a very expensive product. This normally will sell for $58 because this is a full-size tube of it. And this is just a great exfoliator. Mine's a little wet inside because I just took it out of the shower. But it's very, very finely milled. It's very grainy. And so you don't have those big chunks that are really scraping away. It just does such a beautiful job of going in and just exfoliating everything. So to get this in a box, $58 when I only spent $21 on the box, plus I got 4 more items in there, that's crazy. So this one I will probably actually go and repurchase because I really, really like it a lot. All right, this next item that I got is one of many different types of Luxie brushes that I have received in my BOXYCHARM, and I've also actually even gotten them in my IPSY. So this is the Luxie 522 tapered highlighting brush. This is the one I use all the time for applying my highlighter. It is my very, very favorite highlighting brush. However, I have purchased many of their different brushes on my own, so I have all different types of them, and I love their brushes range that they have. So these are great quality brushes at a very affordable price. They have them on sale an awful lot. I'll leave a link down to Luxie's site for you as well. Luxie brushes, love getting those. Right, this next item is a mascara that I got that I didn't think I was going to really like. This is the Beauty Counter Lengthening Mascara. It just came in this skinny little tube. When I opened it, I saw this tiny little brush, which, by the way, I'm the one who bent it at the angle. I do that with a lot of my mascara wands. But I didn't think that it would really do much for my lashes, and boy, was I wrong. This, especially on my lower lash line, it is so easy to get in there and get those lashes coated. It's such a small brush that it just does a really good job of defining each individual lash. Doesn't make a mess all over. It is smudge proof, which is very important for me for my mascaras because I tend to get smudged very easily underneath my eyes. So this is another great product that I got. And I want to say this retails for about $22, but I'll leave what the price is right here. So again, I'm pretty sure I got this in a BOXYCHARM. And again, BOXYCHARM is $21 a month. All right, the next product that I got is something that I have since gone and repurchased the full size, but this is the Benefit Give Me Brow. I'm in the color 1, and I did receive a little sample size that I definitely used up. This is what the wand looks like. It is so tiny and small and easy to get in there and get those individual lashes, brow hairs, I should say, and it just coats them so well and looks like your brows are just a lot fuller. You can actually see the difference right there. Now I gotta go ahead and do the other one so I match. It just adds that extra little oomph to your brows, and it also holds them in place without being stiff or flaking off or anything like that. It just has all day staying power. So definitely will be keeping this as something that I will always go back and buy some more of. All right, this is the last item that I got, and I was shocked when I got this. This is by Studio Makeup. It's their on-the-go eyeshadow palette, and I actually received 2 of these different palettes in different colors. So this one is my favorite of the 2. This is in the shade Warm Up. And these are what the shadows look like. You can see I've been in these quite a bit. This is one of those great palettes that you can take with you when you travel because it has all the colors that you need to do the entire look. You've got a great all over color right here. You've got a great transition shade. You've got 1, 2, 3 shimmer shades. So just beautiful, easy to blend out. Top of my head, I want to say this was like $36 for the value, but I'll leave it again right down here. You'll see what the price is. So I just thought that was a wonderful thing to get inside one of my beauty boxes. So there we go. All right, those are the top 5 products that I got. And I have to tell you, I had a very hard time narrowing it down to just 5 because there's so many wonderful things that I have received over the last couple of years in my beauty boxes. But those are the ones that are my go-tos. Those are things I keep digging into and using, and I've gone out and bought the full-size products and I bought more brushes. So those are just my absolute favorites. Now I'm going to go ahead and tag a couple of other people so that they can go ahead and do this challenge as well. First is going to be Kara from Kara's Corner. I'll leave a card here and a link to her channel down below as well. So Kara, make sure that you do this. I know you get some beauty boxes. And then the other one is Jacqueline and Lisa from Hot Mamas. Oh my gosh, these gals are just so fun to watch. So again, I'll leave a card up here and a link down in the description box for those. But do go check out their channels as well. And I think that wraps up everything. Thank you, Michelle, for tagging me in this video. It was fun to do. And it also makes me realize just what a great value getting some of these subscription boxes are. So until next time, you guys, don't forget to subscribe. If you've enjoyed the video, please give it the old thumbs up. And until next time, bye-bye.